So the video inspection is important. First of all, you don't want any breaks in your sewer line. If you have a pier and beam home where you can crawl under them, if you have breaks in your sewer line, that means that there's sewer gas getting under your home. If you have a slab home and you have broken lines underneath it, that means water is getting out underneath your slab, which could cause foundation issues. The way that we do those is we come in, we can go through cleanouts if you have them, or if you don't, and your roof is accessible and it's not too steep for us to get on, we can go through through the vent stacks in the roof, take a look at it like that. And if it's not accessible there's always ways. We can go through a drain arm in the wall, we can pull the toilet and go through the toilet bend. So we can always take a look at your sewer lines and see what's going on.